Hey guys, so welcome to A Touch of Film. Today's a very special unboxing. This is the first time I've ever bought anything from UHD Club. It is their release of Kung Fu Hustle. Probably one of my favourite Stephen Chow movies. Not my absolute favourite, that is a Chinese Odyssey. But this one is absolutely one of his most fun movies. Probably his most famous movies outside of Asia. So yeah, it comes in this wonderful box at first, really well packaged. I mean, I got this from Media Psychos. Yeah, it wasn't cheap, but then again, look at this. The amount of effort gone into this is crazy. So, oh god, it's really tightly packed in here. Once you see this, guys, this is just absolutely gorgeous. Now, I've opened this up just to take a look. It is a wooden box. Let me just open this up a bit. You get this sort of card that you used to get with the kimchi releases. If I could show you there. So it's out of 148 releases, this is number 142. There. Yeah, really, really gorgeous. So let's open this up. First off, on the cover you've got Stephen Chow's character, and on the back you have some of the main characters, some of the good guys. You've got the landlords, the free martial artists that live in the tower block, and Stephen Chow's a close friend there. So let's open it up. Now this is a very sturdy box. It is wooden. It's got like a velvety inside. I don't know if you could see that. And it's like just to keep so nothing gets scratched. Okay, here we have some art cards. Again, I've never bought anything from, oh wow. You've got this lenticular art card there. And you have a poster. If we could focus in on that. Is it going to focus? Focus. It's got Stephen Chow and Kung Fu Hustle there. It's only one-sided. You also have a booklet, a photo book. That is really nice. Nice imagery. No copy on there. And then you have this, what looks like the Blu-ray box with this image there. It's one disc. It looks like there's a disc missing, but there's not. I actually double checked that. But yeah, this is Blu-ray. I have got another edition of this, which I think might have more audio tracks and more, maybe more subtitles. But yeah, this is just an absolutely stunning release. My first UHD pickup. I know they've got more coming up. Like I said, they are not cheap. They're probably some of the most expensive Blu-rays I've ever seen. But yeah, I didn't show you this, guys. This is where all the art cards are in. So that's the standard artwork with some spot glossing there on the Kung Fu Hustle. And this wonderful wooden box. I mean, I wouldn't pick this up if you're not a fan of the film. I, for one, absolutely love this movie. It's one of my favourites from Hong Kong, from like modern day Hong Kong cinema, as a martial arts movie, as a martial arts fan. I mean, look at that. It's really shiny. Yeah, just a lovely addition. I'm not one of those people that gets all premium titles, but of my favourite films, I would definitely pick it up, like like a nice edition of a film I absolutely love, and this is one of them. So yeah, this, I don't know if it's still available. You may see it on eBay going for silly money, which, you know, it just is ridiculous if it does. But yeah, guys, even if you don't get this edition, I highly recommend Kung Fu Hustle. I'm sure most of my subscribers and my audience have seen it. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I've got some movie reviews coming up soon. Sorry, I've been a bit, you know, not very active on my channel, but yeah, I've got some exciting things coming up. We haven't done a stream for a couple of months, myself and Dion, but we will have one this month, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, guys, hit that subscribe button. Comment below if you've seen this movie. What's your favourite Stephen Chow film? And yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Take it easy.